Hey everybody, good evening. This is Michael Elkins, founder of MLE Law, coming to you very late night for episode 2 of State of the Firm. All right, everybody. As you can see, I'm coming to you very casual tonight. Wearing a sweatshirt. It's like 12:45 at night. If you're wondering, yes, TB12, Tom Brady, channeling my inner my inner work ethic through Tom Brady's brand. I'm sure Tom's gonna love this video and probably post it on his Instagram. Tom, if you're watching, or any Tom's people, please share it on your Instagram. Go ahead, you have my permission. Coming to you late night. As you can see, even my paralegal. Where is she? There she is. She's done working for the night too. So what's happening here at the firm? What's the state? Well, I'm working late and I'm in a sweatshirt and I'm bringing you this video this late and kind of dressed like this because this is when lawyers get a lot of the real work done. So one of the big things happening at the firm right now is I have a major argument from one of my municipal clients in front of a court called the 3rd District Court of Appeal. So you're probably saying, if you're not from Florida, you're definitely saying, what the hell is that? It's an appellate argument. And if you don't know what an appellate argument is, what that means is that I had a case that was decided in a lower court. In this case, we had an arbitration, which is like a mini trial. The arbitration was decided in my client's favor. I did the arbitration. And then the other side, which in this case is a union and a former police officer, tried to get that arbitration reversed by filing a lawsuit in state court. So there was a lawsuit. I got that lawsuit dismissed early. It's what's called the motion to dismiss stage. So the case went nowhere. They filed their complaint. We said, Judge, you got to dismiss this for various reasons. And the judge said, you're right. Case dismissed. And so now they've taken this up on appeal to the higher court, and they're asking that court, hey, higher court, you got to overturn this and you got to send it back down. So it's a big deal for lawyers. I have done it before. I've argued, but not in front of this particular appellate court. But this is it's kind of considered an honor to do it. It's considered like a cool thing, sort of what you see lawyers doing on TV. This is kind of like that. There's 3 judges and they can pepper you with questions. You get 10 minutes to argue. And it's a very, very cool thing. But why am I up so late? Frankly, even though I've done this before and I know the law and I know the facts, look, I tend to get terrified. Not terrified to perform the argument. That's actually the easiest thing for me. I share with you that I'm terrified because one, it's kind of a vulnerability thing, and I think it's important that lawyers talk about their feelings in the context of their cases. And I'm terrified because I want to make sure I'm prepared. I'm just always terrified that there will be something, some fact, some case, something that I'm not ready for. And when that fear hits, that's when I prepare harder, work harder, make sure every double, triple check that every I is dotted and every T is crossed. So I'm always skeptical when people say they're not even concerned a little about whether it's a big argument or a trial. Privately lawyers will say that, but they'll never say it publicly. I think it's important to say it publicly. I think it's important to put out there like, hey, look, I'm a human being, and the thing that drives me, the thing that gets me working late is fear, at least partially. And the other part of it is, frankly, it's just my nature, but I am driven by that fear that I don't want to be left unprepared in any way. So here we are up late. The other reason I'm up late, of course, is it was the NCAA 2019 College Basketball Championships. So big congratulations to the University of Virginia, the Virginia Cavaliers, on winning. That's a great little story. If you don't follow sports, you wouldn't know, but last year Virginia was a number 1 seed. They were a number 1 seed this year too, but last year they were a number 1 seed and they lost in the first round to a 16 seed. Never happened before in the history of the NCAA tournament. So their victory is a great lesson in perseverance, ability to overcome obstacles, and ability to leave failure in the past. So for those of you out there who are still hanging on to some past failures, let it go. What else is happening at the firm? We've been pushing a lot of content lately. Well, I say me. I've been pushing a lot of content lately. And the reception's been great. The interaction on LinkedIn keeps rising the more and more we post. The interaction on Instagram has gone up dramatically. In fact, we hit a little milestone. I hit a little milestone. I know it's not all about the followers, but past the 1,000 follower marker. So to CASSource and the guys who edit this video, do a little, congratulations thing, or I don't know how, whatever you want to do. But hitting 1,000 followers is a milestone on Instagram, and I grew that account from 110 when I started taking the account seriously, at 110 followers, and I really started focusing on content. I never bought a follower, so all my followers are organic. So I'm proud of that 1,000, and now we move on to the next milestone, which is 10,000, because you get a lot of perks from Instagram when you hit that 10,000 marker. So thank you to everybody following, everybody commenting. Big thank you to my clients. There are plenty of them now, which is great. I don't have much more for you in terms of what's happening at the firm. It's really been appellate argument and then content. That's really the two things that I've been focused on. After this appellate argument, there's going to be a number of other things that I need to take care of that I'll be able to update you on episode 3, State of the Firm. I've also got something in the works that might be cause for an even bigger video, but I can't talk about it yet. And I'm not like trying to tease some BS or like set something up that's crappy. No, I mean, there really is something happening. I had a big meeting on Friday with some people that could result in something very, very major, but I can't get into it right now. But if things happen, I'll be able to get into it in episode 3. So thank you everybody for watching. Please comment, send me a direct message on what you want to hear. What do you like? What do you not like? If you think this video is great, cool. If you don't, that's cool too. Let me know. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Melkins1. And follow the MLE Law page on LinkedIn. It's got a sad little 13 followers. I'd like to get that up a little, boost it. So thanks everybody. It's late. Get some sleep. I'm my paralegal through this entire thing. You can see here. Didn't move. Must be nice. Take care everybody. Have a great, great night, and thanks for watching.